Hey guys, Zack Boughton from Glacier. Just wanted to talk to you about the P12 knee pad that we just released. This is a really lightweight and comfortable knee pad. Comes in at 2.1 ounces and it fits in both our Havilland and Havilland Lite pant. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this installed. It's pretty straightforward, but sometimes this kind of stuff can be a little bit awkward. So I'm going to take one of the pant legs, I'm just going to turn it inside out, and we're going to lay it out in front of us. Now, pants inside out, so you want to take the face of the knee pad, lay it straight down. That's how it's going to install in this little knee pad sleeve. So I'm just going to pick up the lip here, slide this all the way to the top, and about 2/3 of the way up, you can see where this stitching ends. There's going to be a little lip. We're going to want to reach in, come up, grab that, and you can see it a little bit right there. We're just going to pull it over the bottom of the knee pad. And that is really all it takes to get the knee pad in there. Flip this back out. Yep, everything looks good. Knee pad's installed. So it's a super easy thing just to have in your kit. Certain hunts, you'll definitely want that in there. We've been wearing them a bunch this spring. Honestly, once you get them in there, you forget about it. So I'm sure most guys will just leave theirs in. But it is something that's super easy to get in and out. So if you want to just have it with you, throw it in when you need it, take it out when you don't, shouldn't really be an issue. It's just in and out, that simple, and your pants are back to normal. So if you guys have any questions at all about the new knee pad, just feel free to give us a call at the shop.